It's another math day here with teacher Jenny. Join me for another topic. This time we're going to talk about derivatives. Okay, let's start solving f prime of -1 for f of x equal to 4x squared plus 3x minus 3. First, we are going to solve for the derivative of this, and then after that one, we are to substitute the value of x, which is -1. So f prime of x, that will be equal to the derivative of 4x squared, which is 4 times 2. That will be 8, and then copy x. Our exponent on x is 2 minus 1, that will be 1. Plus the derivative of 3x, which is 3. After that one, we are going to substitute the value of the x, which is -1, on the result of our derivative. So we have 8 times -1 plus 3, that will be equal to, once we try to simplify this, 8 times -1, that's -8 plus 3. Simplifying that further, this is -5. So that will be our f prime of -1. We are now going to go for finding the value of f prime of x if our f of x is cosine x, and then with x equal to pi over 2. So meaning to say what we are going to find here is f prime of pi over 2. So we start off with getting the derivative first of our function. We have cosine x, the derivative of that is negative sine x. And then we are going to substitute our value pi over 2 on our x. So this is negative sine of pi over 2. Now in a unit circle, we have pi over 2 as equivalent to 90. If this is our 0 degrees, this is our pi. This one is our pi over 2. Now, since in the unit circle, once we say pi over 2, once we say pi over 2, that's equivalent to 90 degrees, by the way. And once we say sine of an angle, this would somehow be on the unit circle, be referring to y over r. So, since we have here in the unit circle, we've got from the origin going to this particular point here is going to be equivalent to 1. And then our r, or the radius, will always be 1. So that means to say that our sine is equal to a 1. Because when we say sine theta, that will be equivalent to y over r. If y is 1, r is 1. So that means this is equal to 1. So our f prime of pi over 2, this is equal to, we have a negative here, so negative, and then sine pi over 2, that's equivalent to 1. So our f prime of pi over 2, that will be equal to -1.